Thank you for coming back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I did a review, but I'm back and I'm better. Here we have today a 2024 Nissan Sentra with the two-tone orange with the black on top. Loving these beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels that goes with it. Makes it pop. Nice front end. SR trim. Get your little side view profile going on here. Blacked out mirror caps with the LED turn signals on it. Nice body lines on here. It looks really nice. Looks really good. Come around to the rear here. Got the SR emblem on the back. Nissan Sentra SR. Chrome tip exhaust. Black accents on the back to match the black roof on top of this one. Another little side view. Looks really good. Now to the cargo area of the Sentra. Your average size compact sedan space when it comes down to hauling all the groceries. You can make it happen. You have two hooks here with your bags so they don't go rolling around. You got your carpeted floor mats here, cargo net so other stuff don't go flying around while you're driving around the city. Engine wise on this 2024 Nissan Sentra SR, you're looking at a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, 149 horsepower, 145 feet torque feet a pound, electronic CVT. And now to the interior of the Nissan Sentra. You have Nissan Safety 360 Shield, which has automatic braking, automatic pedestrian detection, rear automatic braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist, intelligent forward collision warning. A ton of good safety features on your Nissan Sentra. And over here to the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connect all your devices there. Down here we have our buttons and knobs to control your AC. You have a USB-A, USB-C, aux cord, your auto off switch, and you have a 12-volt power source right there. Here's your gear selector right here, along with your Nissan Intelligent Key. You have remote start, lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. The orange stitching wrapped around the chair, also wraps around the door, over to the dash, comes back around, and there's even orange stitching in your flat bottom steering wheel here. Looks really nice. You have buttons here to control your cruise control, Bluetooth here, more cruise control buttons. This is for your radio here, and this is for your dash. Function through all of these buttons, settings. Pretty nice. As for the back seating, not too bad. I have an ample amount of leg room here. You have one USB charging port right there. Orange stitching along in the back seats as well. Armrest here with two cup holders. Seating for three back here. Thank you all for watching my video. Huge shout out to Kelly Nissan in Oakland. Make sure you all visit them if you're willing to purchase any new Nissans, any used vehicles. They have rentals, parts, and service. If you need any of that, make sure to come visit them.